Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Can I interview one by one?
Yes, doctor.
So, who is your brother? The elder brother, I mean. Who is the one that elder brother? So I'm going to ask you.
He's
first.
bigger than me, but I am the eldest.
Okay, I'm going to ask you first.
Okay.
What's the problem?
The first problem, okay, my problem is I went to the woods and I try a new cream here in my forearm, and I notice it's become reddish and become very scaly.
When it start?
Started a week ago, doctor.
Can I have a look?
Yes, doctor.
Did you take some medicine?
No, doctor, I didn't take any medicine. The only thing I took, I did was putting a cream here, and I think a cream or a lotion that makes it irritated in the wounds.
That's good. Do you have more question?
Yes, doctor, I have a question. What could be the causing of my rash? Do you think my thinking was right?
I think it's causing of the sunlight, or you eat some food that allergic to you. That's why you feel like that.
Okay. What treatment do you recommend, doctor, for this rash?
You shouldn't eat some allergic food,
Mm-hmm.
and you should take care for that with the cream, so that you can prove it.
How do I know that I have the allergy on this kind of foods?
Because when you eat like a food that causes it allergic, it's that you are when you have some red in your hands, and it's going to have like a rash, so you should avoid like a food, the one that allergic to you.
Should I should I avoid any products, or should I avoid any activities that will cause my allergy?
uh, it's normal, but you shouldn't walk in sunlight when it's hot outside.
How about the products?
The products, you shouldn't eat noodle,
Noodles?
and also like some biscuits that a little bit hot. It's because hot like a chili inside. That's
Uh-huh.
not good for that.
A
for that.
biscuit, a chili biscuit.
Yes, I mean.
Doctor, it's just a rash. Huh?
Rash, yes, because it's a rash, but it's cause also because when you.
Okay, I understand, doctor. When should I come back if the rash doesn't get better, doctor?
You can see me anytime if it's doesn't cure.
Thank you, doctor.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Can you see my bigger
sure.
brother?
Hello.
Hello, doctor.
What's the problem?
You know I have a big problem.
What's the big problem? Can you tell me?
Look at that, look at that. It's already here.
No, that's it.
Yeah, it's a sunburn, you know?
Sunburn.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
yes, I see.
I'm very irritated. Look at it.
Can I have a look?
Yes, yes.
Oh. When it start?
1 week ago.
Did you take
more or
some
less.
medicine?
Yeah, I only put the, aloe.
Aloe.
Yeah, I only put the aloe. It's very fresh, but it's not the solution. I need other medicine, special medicine, because it's very irritating, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Here is the aspirin. Aspirin that you can take it for a while. And do you have any question?
Repeat the name of the.
Aspirin. Aspirin. Yes.
Ice cream.
No, sorry, not ice cream. Aspirin.
Yes, yes, I can understand. Don't
Okay,
worry.
okay. So, do you have any question?
Yeah, I have a question. Do you have other creams or yeah, you say ice cream, but I need also other cream, you know, for my irritation here.
It's possible
You have any
it's
special
possible
type
you
of
can
aloe?
you can drink some medicine like paracetamol. Okay.
Paracetamol.
Yeah.
Why?
Why? So that you can cure your yeah son.
I'm not a doctor, but I think I think the
You don't
solution is
know.
not paracetamol, but
Okay, that's that. Okay.
I put it here. It's okay. Okay. How long? How long?
Come on.
How long will I take for the sunburn to heal?
You should take it for a week. A week, 1 week.
1 week
Yes.
only?
If 1 week. If you if it doesn't recover, you can go come back again so that I can
Yeah.
give another
But before
medicine.
you said 1 month. You know, you said
That I no.
1 week. It's okay. It's okay. For me, it's very good. But I have another question. I
Ah,
think
okay.
it's,
Please.
what steps can I take to protect my skin in the future?
When you go to the beach,
Hmm.
you should put the cream when you lay down on the sun.
What cream? Give me the name.
Aspirin. Not I don't know aspirin is sunscreen. Sunscreen. Yes, you should put sunscreen when you go to the beach.
Yeah, because
And when you
I
lay
think
down.
the other cream is not good.
Yes, I know.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
That's
You
all.
are very polite, eh?
Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Okay, see you.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay.